One of the most important steps to adjusting the radius is prior to thrusting with your contact thumb at the neck of the radius, your stabilization hand must stabilize but traction axially or distally on the radius, which will help to unlock and separate the radial head where it articulates at the elbow. This is Dr. Robert Fennell with Chiropractic Hand and Foot Clinics of America. Thanks again for tuning in to Bone Meister News, and I would really appreciate if you visit my Facebook page for Dr. Robert Fennell and like that page when you visit, and you'll receive periodic tips and strategies that I post right there on Facebook.